Hello, today we will see the overview of the Fulfillment by Amazon or FBA Small and Lite program. In this video, we'll go over what the FBA Small and Lite program is, its benefits and eligibility requirements, and how to enroll your products in the program. FBA Small and Lite helps reduce the cost of fulfilling orders for small and lightweight FBA inventory priced $10 or less per. Products enrolled in the program are eligible for free shipping to Prime customers and standard shipping for non-Prime customers. If you are currently fulfilling orders yourself, signing up for FBA Small and Lite can help reduce your operating costs before enrolling in Small and Lite. You must first add FBA to your Amazon seller account to enroll in Small and Lite. Start by clicking the menu icon in the top left corner of Seller Central. Hover over Inventory, then click Manage FBA Inventory near FBA Inventory Tools. Click FBA Opportunities on the next page. Locate and click the Enroll in Small and Lite link near the top of the page. Then scroll to the bottom of the page and click Get Started from here. You can learn more about the Small and Lite program as well as enroll and disenroll your products. Under Enroll Products, click the Quick Enroll button to check product eligibility and enroll up to 100. You can also enroll additional products by downloading Amazon's Small and Lite product template, filling it out and uploading it on this page to disenroll any products. Click Disenroll Products and follow the pages. Guidance. Remember to be eligible for FBA Small and Lite. Your products must be $10 or less. Your products can't be classified as dangerous goods, hazardous goods, or adult products. Your products must also not be sensitive to temperature conditions like chocolates or other perishables or used. Products are also ineligible, so ensure your products are in new condition. The weight of each product must be 3 pounds or fewer, measure fewer than 18 by 14 by 8 inches, and follow specific packaging criteria. For more information on prep and packaging for Small and Lite products, search for the help page Small and Lite Prep and Packaging Guide in Seller Central.